Hello everyone, welcome to Creator Nostalgia's channel. Today we are going to learn how to make pencil stands. So let's get started. First we will make this one. For making this, you have to take some old papers from old magazines or book. Just cut it into half and make 4 pieces. Now roll it vertically, put some glue and press it gently. Now your roll is ready. Like this you have to make many rolls. Now after making them, you have to stick them together. Take one, paste another inside of it. Like this you have to make 8 of one batch. Now the third one. Now our 8 is ready. You have to make 4 pieces. Now attach them with the help of Fevicol. Put them in the sides. And press it gently. You can put anything heavy inside it so that it can take its shape. Nextly, take a cardboard sheet, paste a paper on it. I am here using Fevicol. You can use any glue of your choice. Press it gently and cut the axis. Next we have to put some glue and paste this roll in behind of the 2 stands. Now make same in the front with 3 sticks. Now make it upside down and take some glue and stick it over the cardboard and paint it red. Now take some golden glitter sheet and paste it over it. This is for decoration. You can do decoration of your choice. Now I have stuck 2 stars on it. Wow, it looks so good. You can use it for any purpose. If you want to learn how to make this gorgeous pencil topper, I will give this link in the description box. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you liked my video. If yes, please like, share and subscribe. Meet you in the next video. Till then, stay happy and keep glowing.